Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views for January 21st, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, looking at the markets here, if we start off with the S&P 500, you're going to see that we just got a pretty big spike. Futures were negative earlier and now are positive. And now you see a little bit of a pullback coming in. But all in all, big spike bar here. And this obviously is on the back of some comments coming out of the ECB or Mario Draghi, who is the ECB president, saying he's going to have to review quantitative easing in March and potentially, I guess, do more. So we'll see how it plays out. If you take a look at the U.S. dollar index today, you're going to see that is spiking sharply higher on that news. So we'll see how that plays out. But nonetheless, the ECB president is talking about revisiting more QE in March. So we'll see how that all shakes out going forward. Looking at the futures, they are up about 14 points. They're starting to come back in a little bit, but nonetheless, they are up about 14 points at the moment. All right, let's take a look at stocks in the news because earnings season is underway and we have many companies reporting. First one, we're going to start off with Xilinx, LXNX, and you're going to see here the stock right now is trading at 47.05, closed at 43.08. I will have some resistance levels in here. Right off the bat, what I'm seeing for Xilinx would be around 48.35, 48.40. Very good resistance there. And after that, it's really up to the $50 level. So watch those areas. And again, we will look to trade Xilinx today in the intraday stock chat room. Yesterday, we had a banner day, 10 for 10. And all in all, it was just an incredible trading day. And even at the end of the day, we caught a 20-point S&P 500 E-mini futures play, or better yet, a 2-point S&P spider play. So again, it was just an incredible day. If you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a dynamic 2016, and we're going to look to keep that going as volatility should remain in place. Next up, we're going to take a look at F5, FFIV is the next symbol here, and you're going to see the stock is trading at $91, closed at $90.02, so this is catching a bid. I would have liked to have seen this go down first because I had a real good level around the 97 area. That could still be good today, so be careful with F5, but right now it is trading up a little bit right here at 91.97. Stock closed at 90. Not much I could do with it now, but we will re-examine this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at FireEye, F-E-Y-E. And this stock is catching a little bit of a bid today. It was trading at $14.87, now at $16.50. So nice little pop there. And again, this will be in play a little bit later. Twitter is trading higher. TWTR is the ticker there. And what you're going to see here is stock is trading at $18, closed at $17.38. Looks like more takeover chatter coming out of the Wall Street Journal and other places. So Twitter is on the block, so the market says. But who knows if we could really believe that stuff. But either way, that is the rumor out there now. Let's take a look at ALKS, which is Alkermes. And this is a biotech stock that is just getting hammered today. I will have gap levels for this stock, so they'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Stock last night finished the day at $60.42. Today it is trading at $40.33. And this is sometimes, the pitfalls that come with owning biotechs. So it looks like the company's depression drug did not meet its endpoint, and the stock is just getting hammered today. So there is definitely some support at 40 here, but I have another level lower, which I think is better, which could give us a solid bounce. And again, that level will be posted up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 a.m. We will have more and more gap plays each and every day. So again, if you want to trade the morning gap, become a 60-minute trader, come on over to the intraday stock chat room and you'll see what we're doing there. All right, let's take a look at Deutsche Bank because this one was lower earlier. Now it looks like it's coming off the lows here due to the ECB news. It's still closed at $19.33 yesterday, trading at $18.25 today. So it's still pretty weak, but nonetheless, Deutsche Bank getting a little bit of a bid off of its morning lows. So we'll see how that plays out. Again, that's highly tied to all the ECB comments, and again, we'll have to watch that pretty closely. Let's take a look at Union Pacific, UNP. I believe they had earnings. Stock is trading at $71.10, closed at $73.61. this is not a pretty picture for this equity. We're going to probably try to have some gap levels in the intraday stock chat room. Right now, I would think around that 70 level, though, that kind of does look a little bit attractive. So keep that on the watch. Speaking of UNP, let's take a look at Canadian Pacific Rails, and you're going to see that is trading at 104.33, closed at 104.17, so that's caught a decent little bid. So we'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings, but that will be in play today as well. Let's take a look at United Airlines. I believe they reported earnings as well. Stock is trading at $45, basically closed at $45.12, so nothing really happening there that is all that important at the moment, but we'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. We do trade airline stocks quite often. Let's take a look at Verizon. They reported earnings. Stock is trading at $44.99. Closed yesterday at $44.42, so a little uptick there for VZ. Again, we'll see how that shakes out. No levels that I'm seeing right off the bat that should be noted. Let's take a look at TRV, which is Travelers Group. And what you're going to see here, stock is trading at 104.29, closed at 103.65. So it's catching a good bid. One level I do have for Travelers today would be the $100 level if it gets down there. I don't know if that will happen, but it very well could. If it gets down to 100, that is where you could play it for a scalp bounce. Next up, we're going to look at, I think we got through everything. We'll take a look at Southwest Airlines. I think I did see some news on them earlier, but please check it out for yourself. Stock is upticking a little bit on Southwest. We'll see how that plays out. I had a real good level down around 34.60 if it fell, but it is trading higher at 39.95. So not much we're going to do with that one, but either way, we are seeing some pretty good moves this morning, and that should be noted for the most part. So we'll see how this all plays out. Let this market tell us what to do. Again, this is a great day trading environment, so if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Yesterday, 10 trades, 10 winners, and a big S&P trade at the end of the day. So again, if you want to catch some of these moves with us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see what it's all about. And I want to wish everybody a great trading day, and we'll see you all on the charts.